Guess what I have? If you guys are new to this channel, welcome. I do fashion, DIY, and skincare, and you could be the first to know about all the new videos if you subscribe to my channel and find me on social at Letitia. This time around, I didn't think that I would buy anything from Zara. I've checked their sale, started on Boxing Day, didn't find any really good discounts, and I didn't see anything that I really liked until one of my friends had these boots on, and I was like, where'd you get them from? She was like, Zara, and they're 20 bucks now. And then I was like, oh, that's a really good price. And so after looking through the website again, some other things were on really good discount. They added new things into their sale, and I came out with this. So, ooh. Do you ever have that issue where you make an order and you kind of forget what you even bought until you get it, even though shipping only takes like 2 days? The first thing that I got was just a basic t-shirt. I like the feel of this material. It's lightweight. It looks a bit boxy. Oh, that's because what? It's a large. That's why. The thing that bugs me is when there's sequins in the front and not in the back. Usually skirts have that issue as well. I got this t-shirt for $8. This next one is this white shirt with beautiful embroidered sleeves. It has macrame sleeves with some tufted fringe, a few pearl details, and a tied cuff. And this one really caught my eye. I love anything with big sleeves right now. This shirt I got for $23. The buttons are also like mother of pearl shell buttons, which is a really nice touch. The collar button shows, but the rest are hidden buttons, so I don't really see the point. This dress, it's a plaid shirt that has this knotted detail in the middle, and it's a shirt dress actually. It's very lightweight, which would be good for summer, but I hope it's not the kind of dress where like the second that you move around, it wrinkles. Okay, it's not that bad. This dress, originally $70 down to $23. I can see myself wearing these with a pair of boots and a cap or something, and just very street style looking. Ooh, these wide leg pink jeans. They're a lot pinker than I imagined. Very nice material. I really like the fray at the bottom of the hem, but they also have a frayed trim around the waistband, which is a very nice touch. Something that if you were to fray your own jeans, you wouldn't really be able to do. I love all wide leg denim at this point. Pink is kind of a fun, sort of neutral color that makes it easy to pair with. The jeans were 20 bucks. This, okay, you'll see later, I'll show you what else I got, but anything with grommets and eyelets, I love grommets, so this material is amazing. This one is a small, but it's actually a boxy fit t-shirt, and it has a zipper detail at the back so that you can easily put it on and off. It's a navy colored t-shirt, and I got this for 16 bucks. Shoes! I remember that I wanted these in white, but they're already sold out, so I thought that I would give the blue pair a try and see if they look good on me. Slingback kitten heels. I remember when kitten heels were like, they were so taboo. Nobody liked kitten heels. They thought that they were so tacky, but I'm so glad that they're coming back now because high heels are just overrated. These blue leather mules went from 70 bucks down to 30 bucks. I thought that they would really look great with a pair of jeans actually. It dresses up a pair of jeans really easily, and they could be great dancing shoes. These boots are what got me to buy everything that's in the sale anyways. This velvet part is a little crushed here. Originally they were 50 bucks, which is already really good, probably because they're velvet and not leather, but they're down to 20 bucks, and I love this heel. I like the slightly square toe, but not like super square toe. The zipper down the middle. Really, really cool touch. These would go so well with a basic pair of black jeans, and it makes anything look so cool. It's kind of like an elevated black boot. And speaking of black boots, I got this pair from Topshop. So like I said, anything with grommet and eyelets and like O-rings and stuff, I fall for instantly. But this Topshop sale was amazing. It was buy one, get one free. These patent boots were originally $180. They're patent leather, by the way. They're not just patent PVC. These pants, again, grommets and eyelets. I can't help it. High-waisted navy peg leg pants. It reminds me of the O-ring skirt that I DIY'd. So I had something to return anyways, and in the end the credit turned out to be 70 bucks total. So I paid 70 bucks for both the pants and the boots, which means that they were 35 bucks each. So the boots went down from 180 to 35, and these pants went down from 110 to 35. That's a really, really good steal. I like to make these haul videos for you guys, but I also don't want to keep pushing fast fashion. There was that huge scandal with Zara where people were sewing in help messages in their clothing. I'm absolutely very conflicted with it. I want to work myself out of fast fashion, and it's just a huge conflict where the most stylish pieces that are the most affordable come from brands like these because they're taken like off the runway. So in light of all these sales, I know it's super contradicting. I do want to share these styles with you guys, but also I would like to remind you to remain conscious about what you're purchasing. We as consumers have the responsibility to stay conscious of our purchases and really have compassion about where our things come from. Kind of ending this on a sour note, but it's good to know. If you want to see how I style these pieces, you can find me on Instagram at Letitia Q, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!